What's up, guys? Just an update. This is our current landing page. These are the links to all the platforms. Over here, we've got um, the launch page for the web app. We can have a look and see the sign-in page with the social sign-ins. Um, this is the current desktop version of the web app. So on the home page, we're greeted with a bunch of characters that we can talk to. Of course, we've got the Explore More button with hundreds of more bots to talk to. Um, we've got all of the safe categories, along with all of the unsafe, favorites, archived, community, and partner bots. These two are yet to come, but they will be there soon. On the home screen again, we can just quickly add a bot. Let's add Ralph and say hello to him. You can see here with the real-time data syncing that the bot shows up on the left-hand side. So we can ask for a photo of anything. Probably should have just pressed one of those buttons, hey? So we can also do audio in with the microphone. We can do image in with this button here. And that just allows us to use multimodal with the bot there. So Ralph told us that he doesn't have any photos, but then sent us one. So that's a bit interesting. We can also listen to the audio.
I'm sorry for any confusion, but as a dog, I don't have any photos of
So
cats.
we can see that Ralph can send voices as well. Over on the right here, we've actually got all of the settings for Ralph. We can quickly change what he calls us. We can change his name, and there's a whole bunch more advanced settings. These are all pretty advanced, but needless to say, you can customize to your heart content. And yeah, so really happy with all of that. If we want to have a look at the rest of the app, we can see that there is, we've got full theme customization and light and dark theme, of course. So if you prefer to have the dark theme, you've got that covered. And additionally, we can see that if the user wants, they can fully customize the app. But that's probably a bit too much for most people. We can see here all the different languages that we support. Yeah, we can swipe either way on our messages. We can open up the, we can do replies. We can open up the points to see how many points are coming from each one of the parts of the message. We can also have a look to see how many points we currently have. That is basically just allowing us to know how much we can message the bot each day. These points reset every 24 hours. And you can go into the subscriptions and you can get different number of points per day so that you can talk to them more often. Coins are not really introduced yet, but they will be soon. They're going to allow you to do phone calls. You can put in all of your own information so that the bot can know those things about you. We've showed you the languages. In here, we can enable or disable adult content. That you can only be done if your age is above 18. And then additionally, we can hide or show not safe work bots on the homepage based on whether or not the user wants that to be on the homepage. So you can see here we've got some spicy content actresses. And yeah, that is a big feature, a big part of ChatBoo. I'm not going to show you that because I want the video to be publicly viewable. But needless to say, you can ask them for spicy photos and they will oblige. We've got character builder and import bot. They aren't necessarily functioning yet. The import bot is going to allow you to import character cards v2, just so that you can, chat with all of the other bots that the community has made. We're also going to offer a export bot section so that we can give back to the community. And this is just going to be a guided building process. Just some boring stuff down here. the last thing we want to show is a new feature that is going to be introduced very shortly. And this is something that we really think is going to make a big difference, and it's real-time voice calling. So this is a demo. It's not rolled out into the rest of the bots yet, although it will be soon. So you can talk to any of the bots that you've been talking to. We can do voice clones, so it'll be in any voice that you want, and it's real time. Also, if there's any little bugs in here, like some audio popping or maybe slightly delayed responses, those are all things that are going to be addressed soon. Alrighty, so let's give this a go. Let's start with a better voice provider. So we're loading. Hey, how are you today?
I'm just an AI, so I don't have emotions like
Okay,
humans
can you
do,
tell
but
me
I'm
a joke?
functioning properly and ready to help. Here's one. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself?
Actually,
Wait
tell
for
me
it.
a fact.
Because it was too tired. Here's one. Did you know that there is a species of jellyfish that is immortal? The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is...
So just then I was interrupting the bot to show that you can do that, and also just showing how quickly the response time is there. This really is going to be the killer feature. So we can clone voices, and you can pretty much talk to anyone that you want to, and we can set their personality so we can make them, behave however we want. So this really, once this is out there, it's going to be pretty fun times. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. The email is admin@chatboo.app. Thank you.